A very good morning, class 7. Today I will explain chapter number 3, the adjective. A word used with a noun to describe or point out the person, place, animal, or thing which are the noun names or tell the number of quantity is called an adjective. For an example, Pandit Nehru was a brilliant orator, or Sundi sang a melodious song. The melodious song and a brilliant orator is an adjective in this sentence. Kinds of adjective. There are 7 kinds of adjective. First, adjective of quality. Second, adjective of quantity. Third, adjective of number. Fourth, demonstrative adjective. Fifth, distributive adjective. 6, interrogative adjective, and the last one is possessive adjective. Let me explain you through some examples. In an adjective of quality, example, white, tired, cruel, sad, idle. They tell what kind of person, place, or a thing is. Example, a white tiger, a cruel king, a sad girl. Second, adjective of quantity, that means much, little, some, any, sufficient, enough, whole. They tell how much a thing is intended. Example, little water, enough food, any milk. Adjective of number, all, many, several, 6, some, second, tenth, most. They tell how many or in what order. Example, all boys, many girls, several animals. Demonstrative adjective, this, these, that, those, such, yonder, etc. They tell which person or thing are meant. Example, this elephant, these plants, those books, yonder river. Next, distributive adjective, each, every, either, neither. They show that person or thing are taken one at a time. Example, such boy, either or every girl, neither book. Interrogative adjective, what, which, whose. They are used with noun to ask question. Example, what boy, which cap, whose pen. Possessive adjective are her, his, yours, their. They tell whose is the thing. Example, our home, her shoes, your school, his toys, and their book. Now come to the point, degree of comparison. Adjective of quality have 3 forms called degrees of comparison. The first one is positive degree, second one is comparative degree, and the third one is superlative degree. Positive degree, it is the simplest form of an adjective. It is used when there is comparison. For example, my friend has a sharp memory. Next, comparative degree. It is used to compare 2 person or thing. For example, your brother is taller than your sister. The taller word is used to compare the brother with his sister. She is wiser than her friend. She is wiser than her friend. Next, superlative degree. It is used when more than 2 person or things are compared. Example, he is the wisest boy in the class. Tiger is the fastest animal. How to change the degree of comparison without changing the meaning of the sentence? First, the definite article, the must be used before the superlative degree. The superlative degree goes in ST. Example, best, EST. Example, prettiest and most intelligent. The comparative degree should have more than or ER or than and should be followed by any other or most other. For example, he is cleverer than any other boy in the class. He is cleverer than most other boys in the class. Positive degree should have no other or very few and must also have in the sentence as so as, for example, no other boy is as clever as Raman. Next, very few boys in the class are as clever as Raman. Some important adjectives are elder, eldest, older, oldest, later, latest, later, last, farther, further, little, a little, the little, nearer, next, less, fewer are some important adjectives that can be used in a sentences. For an example, elder and eldest are used only of person, not of animals or things. They denote the position of one member of a family with reference to another or other of the same family. Elder is never followed by then. For example, he is my elder brother. His elder son joined the army. Older and oldest are used of both person and things. For example, he is the oldest man in the village. Amit is older than the Arun. Later, latter and latest, last. Later and latest refer to time. For example, he came later than I. Second, this is the latest news. Later and last, Ravi and Harish are my friends. The former is a teacher, the later is an artist. Next example is R is the last house in the street. Farther and further. Farther means more distant. For example, your house is farther from the school than mine. Whereas further means additional. For example, do this without further delay. I must get further information. Little means hardly any. It has a negative meaning. For example, there is a little hope of the recovery of the cancer patient. Whereas little means some quantity. Example, he has a little money left in the bank. A little knowledge is a dangerous thing. The little means not much, but the whole of it. For example, I gave the beggar the little money I had. She spent the little resources she had. These are the example of the little. Come to the next point, nearest and next. Nearest denote space of distance while next denote position. Example, that I am leaving by the next train. The thief was taken to the nearest police station. Less and fewer. Less refers only to quantity. Fewer refers only to number. For example, we did not sell less than a dozen eggs to anyone. Not fewer than. I have less money than you. Next example, no fewer than 60 passengers were injured. No fewer than 6 attacks were made last night. These are some examples of less and fewer. Thank you very much, class 7.